that shakes the crowd. Chevy or Ram, don't matter the name. On blacktop rivers, it's all the same flame. Silverado shadows, Ram in the night. Desert stars burning, headlights bright. Horizons endless, stories unfold. This wheel in my hand feels like solid gold. I'm the king of the road, hear the V8 sing. From the canyon walls to the desert spring, Grand Canyon sunrise, Horseshoe Bend glow. Every mile I ride, the fire only grows. Antelope burned by red rock stone, gasoline heartbeat, steel and chrome. Highway's a temple, the sky is my dome. Every rev reminds me the road is my home. Silverado shadows, Ram in the night. Mountains behind me, freedom inside. America's highways, crowned in my home. A roaring engine, my story's told. I'm the king of the road, hear the V8 sing. From the canyon walls to the desert spring, Grand Canyon sunrise, Horseshoe Bend glow. Every mile I ride, the fire only grows. Antelope dancing on a red rock plain, echoes of freedom in the desert rain. Gasoline dreams in a heavy right hand, ties ride stories in the heart of this land. Foot down harder, let the hammer scream. Living wide open, chasing the dream. From the neon towns to the mountain snow, it's me and the road.